Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So on the gold market, our major setup stands unchanged because actually market hasn't hit yet the major target that we're watching for. This is 1330 daily XOP. The market is coming and everything stands actually very good. Market follows our trading plan. That's just excellent. So you can see after the minor retracement has been hit, as I said, it's a kind of the harmonic pullback. On the daily chart, market retest the upside trend line here. Upward action has been reestablished on the dovish comments from the Fed representative on Friday. So it's all chances exist that market will hit next week this XOP, because actually here we have no big barriers for the gold. No fib levels, no overbought, because overbought stands, you can see, above the XOP. So from the technical point of view, especially on the daily and intraday charts, everything stands the same. Most interesting situation right now, guys, stands in relation to gold and the fundamental part, because there are some new interesting moments exist in the China economy, and that has no relation to the tariffs from the United States. China has some employment problems inside the country that impacts on the construction business, and we know that China hides very well any domestic problems, and it's very rare, appears in the mass media sources, but currently these problems exist based on the just statistics that in China that indicates that this problem. Also, it's not the secret that we have the slowdown of the Chinese economy, and that also, actually, it seems that this is two sides of the same coin. Since China is one of the flagmen of the global economy, and when we see that even in China we see some problems, it means that indeed some global slowdown, some global problems exist, and maybe indeed the Fed consulting that indicates that market is coming to the recession. They may be correct, and that has direct relation to the gold market and should support the demand for the gold, and that's very positive. And it means that maybe it really brings some more confidence in our opinion that maybe we see right now the starting of the new long-term bull trend on the gold market. That's what we see right now. So if you would like to know the details, you could read the fundamental part of our research. On the shorter term, on the daily, we will be watching for reaching of the XOP target. So on the first half of the week, market probably will be very quiet, because on Monday it will be President's Day in the United States, and we first important data we will get on Wednesday. This will be the protocol on the Fed minutes. So that could make an impact on the market. So it will help either to hit the XOP if market will not hit it yet, or if market already will be at XOP, maybe it will be not as dovish and it could trigger retracement, because we expect that from the XOP target, retracement really could start, because sentimental analysis shows that market a bit tied on the unstoppable rally. So it's a bit overbought, overextended a bit. And we see some exhausting of the upward pressure on the gold market. It needs to take some rest. So this will not be kind of the bearish reversal globally, but it's just normal pause in upward action, but it could be greater than just this minor harmonic swing. So in the beginning of the week, we are watching for upward continuation. On intraday charts, we have some targets that we could use to confirm this area. Actually, unfortunately, we can't use the butterfly pattern here, guys, just because of the wash and rinse of these lows. So if we wouldn't have the wash and rinse here, I would say that we have the butterfly, and it's 127 extension coincides with the XOP. But this action mostly reminds the double bottom action, because wash and rinse and fast reversal at the second bottom is very typical for the double bottom pattern. That's why we use classical approach to estimating the target. We use the two extension of 2, not 1618, because this is double bottom, and usually it applies the distance between the neckline to the bottom counted in direction of the breakout. So if we use double ratio for this ABC bottom pattern, we will get the same 1333 area. So that's approximately the target of the double bottom pattern that also confirms the XOP. So on the hourly chart, we have minor ABCD pattern, and here, if you would like to take the long position, you just need to wait for some pullback. Just few cents above, we have XOP target 1323, while the market stands at 1321. So $2 higher, we have the XOP. That was the OP, minor retracement. So XOP also could be minor retracement. So if you would like to take the long position, it's better to wait when the market will hit the XOP and start and pull back. In this case, you could keep an eye on an area around weekly pivot point. That would be confidence support. So currently it's 1315, but if market will move $2 higher, this also will be a bit higher, so it will be approximately around 1317, I suppose. And it's also very close to the weekly pivot point. So some kind of the ABCD retracement or something of that sort could be used if you would like to take the long position with the upward targets around 1330. So this is a short-term stop that we will follow, but most interesting thing should start when the market finally will reach the major daily target. So let's see what action we will get on the next week on gold market.